Okay, guys, what's up? Alright, today I'm gonna be playing I Am Monkey. So, now, I kind of wanted to, try to sell a speedrun, but I haven't played for a trophy in more than a month, so it's just surprising to
Bonus round, projectile banana.
So I couldn't do
behold the resident primate. Let's observe.
do it.
Stand tall. Oh wait, you can't.
I've been
It's
trying
crawling. It's crawling. Make it stop.
What is that?
Help! Help!
Out of it, you
Now.
broke ass bitch!
Oh God, help me out!
I've been trying to
Help!
I've been trying to
Incoming
post,
Skull Crusher. Brace for impact.
Let me out.
and as you can see, I finally am.
Help them!
But yeah, we're gonna be playing I Am Monkey today.
Doors open. They clearly need help.
Oh yeah,
Move, people. Survival of the fastest.
hold on, bro. They messing with me. They messing with me.
These bars aren't made for you.
No, I think I might glitch the guard.
If I scream, will it chase?
I'm never coming back to the zoo.
I know how to glitch.
Get it.
Somebody call help. You're in trouble now, Fluffy Butt. How dare you? This is Night's.
Ooh.
They are stuck. Get them
Get
out.
out of here.
Bar line. Help! Help! Is it clever or lucky?
Bet you
Oh.
That knockout was cinematic.
Get out! Go back down.
exit.
Stand
They
tall.
bro
Oh,
fell
wait, you
asleep
can't.
on the benches.
It is over.
What am I
for you,
putting
Monkey.
on this Christmas update?
Take that, you furry troublemaker.
Showtime.
My turn, tail whack. They are stuck. Get them out. Enough.
First diploma.
Don't you dare. Think you're tough? Look, catch this. Come on, wait for cold before I blink.
Stop. Okay.
Is it clever or lucky?
I am.
Come at me.
Ooh.
I was
One more slap and you're grounded.
Bro, you're
Time.
grounded from being in here, my guy.
Too good for an animal.
You know, where's the bottle? No, give me this.
Come at me. Mission over. Air taste.
Oh, now you're coming back in here. What's up? What's
Get
up,
security.
then? What's up? Bro, no, you,
Loaded
nah,
up.
bro. You
Help them.
Swing it.
Ooh.
Nah, bro. You thought you could be able to get out of here safely? Nah, bro. I'm putting you out of here, bro. I'm done.
Next time we read
You
these,
did too much. Get out. Gotta put this stupid leg in. There. God, you stupid fat ass body. Give it to that also. Yeah, your friend's standing right there now.
My fitness tracker just filed a complaint. Hi there. Hope that mangy fur pad's the
Hey,
damage.
go over here.
I'd wave back, but I don't speak idiot in sign.
hurts. Empty.
Cage
Stop.
just out of reach. Planned or random? Help! Hand it
Yo!
over, champ. Hurts.
Wait. I thought these would be made of soap.
Out of.
Ooh.
Wake up. Please wake up.
Yeah.
Why did I agree to this trip? Ouch. One more slap and you're ground. This isn't fun anymore.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah. Yeah, now you see how it's not funny?
Oh! How did a day at the zoo end up like this? Stop! Let me out of here, please. Get them out fast!
Consider this a blunt force.
Out of my way. Burn mode. That hurt.
Ooh.
The monkey's
Bro, he tripped.
Hey, coming in
He
hot.
tripped. I swear, bro, he
Get me
tripped.
out of here.
Oh, they tripped also. I swear, bro. I swear.
Whoa, monkey's got a killer hook.
Not paid.
Oh, he broke his leg.
Smile for the mugshot, Kong Jr.
He's impossible. Okay, that's gonna be for today's video. I didn't plan on making a 5-hour video.
How dare you?
But yeah, hope you guys enjoy and like and subscribe. You're gonna be for my outro!
Weapons hot, lights hostile spotted, erase it. Unload.
Alright, keep going to my minute. Alright.
Suppressing